you cannot cough at all right now without somebody thinking like, oh, that mother. I was at a baseball game yesterday, and this lady coughed, and she's like you could see her like holding it back. I think she was just a smoker, but she was like, "Oh my god!" And I've been there. There's been a couple times where like I've had to just like the water went down one wrong tube or whatever it was, and it wasn't even anything big deal. But I'm like, oh, where I've had to like leave the room just to cough, so like people don't look at you like, oh, you know, great advice.